Hey flamingos, I'm in the park today and we're going to do a new headband tutorial. So to start this tutorial off, I'm grabbing my Lilac Solid Headwrap and I'm going to fold it in half once, and I am going to slowly take that around my locks. Once I'm done that, I'm going to tie once in the front and pull, making sure that it's secure, making sure that everything is in the right place. And then I'm going to take the middle and tie it together. I know it looks awkward at first, but I promise you, trust the process. From there, I am going to take each end right here, and then I'm just going to tuck in the center. Just find a little gap in the headwrap and just tuck. I'm going to do that to the other side, tuck, and whatever's kind of left over, I'm going to tuck in. And you see how the wrap style is starting to form. From there, I am just going to fluff, make sure that my hair is laying the way that I want it to lay, and that is it, guys. Look how cute that is! Now, if you like this tutorial, please like it, share, and subscribe, you guys, for more. See you guys in the next one. Bye!